Today we are making this quick and easy butterfly coconut shrimp. This recipe takes no time. It's absolutely delicious, crunchy at the same time. We're not going to do a lot of talking, so let's dive in. All right guys, to begin, I have 1 pound of large shrimp. I left the tail on because I like how it looks once it's done, but I went ahead and butterfly the shrimp just like this. Right in the middle, just like this, and I remove this right there. Just remove that. Very easy. And I left the tail on, as you can see. Once you're done with your shrimp, you're going to set it aside. Now it's time to season the flour. I'm going to use the Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning. I'm using about, let's see, about 3 tablespoons of that into our flour. Because this is a very low sodium seasoning, I'm going to add a pinch of salt in there. Now you're going to give it a mix just like this. Once you have the flour nicely combined with the seasoning, you are going to set that aside. By the way, the Cajun Crust seasoning, you can find it on islandvibecooking.com by clicking the link down below. Next, we're going to mix the coconut flakes with our breadcrumbs. We're going to set that aside for now. We have 2 large eggs here. We're going to crack that right into a plate, a bowl, anything flat. Then you're going to mix that. Just like this. Time to add the breading to the shrimp. I am going to pick up my shrimp from the tail. I'm going to dip it into the flour. Dredge the shrimp with the flour just like this. Okay, now you're going to place it into your egg just like that, both sides. And I'm going to add it to my coconut and breadcrumbs just like this. Tap it just like that. Make sure it's nicely coated with the breading. It's nice to press it in, and basically that's it. You are going to place it right here. I'm going to do another one again. I'm going to place the shrimp into the flour, pat it just like that, shake the excess flour, dump it into the egg just like this, press that coconut and breadcrumbs on there, and voila, super duper easy. I'm going to continue breading my shrimp. Once I'm done, I'll let you guys know what to do next. This is what the shrimp looks like once I'm done breading them. As y'all can see, I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I am going to place the shrimp in there. It shouldn't take long to cook. These cook very quickly. So for about a minute or 2, take them out, okay? And I'm going to add as much as I can because the heat is very hot, just to kind of slow it down a bit. That should do it. And literally, these takes no time, like I said. Ouch. These takes no time to cook. Move them around real quick. They should be done within 2 minutes. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the coconut. Oh my gosh. And I got my sauce, my sweet chili sauce on deck to go along with these. Ooh. I'm about to take them out in just a few more seconds. I'm telling you, these takes no time. It's already time for me to take them out. They are looking absolutely delicious, nice and crunchy, of course. I have my plate with some napkin underneath just to make sure it soaks all of the oil. You can put it on a rack as well, a cooling rack. But look at that. Look at that. How quick was this recipe? Very easy. Absolutely delicious. Just like that. Y'all see how crispy this is? I cannot wait to take a bite out of this. I'm eating this with some sweet chili sauce. I know cocktail sauce is good and all, but sweet chili sauce hit different. So let's give it a try. Dip it in there. Oh my gosh. This is so delicious. So delicious, so crispy. That sweet chili sauce balanced the sweetness from the coconut flakes. So good. The texture, creamy, crunchy, so satisfying. 10 out of 10 in my book. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you're going to try it, leave me a comment down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.